What is going on, guys? If you watched the last video, we unboxed some LED lights from Lasfit. Now, Lasfit actually reached out to us and they sent us these great LED bulbs at a discounted rate. So today we're actually going to be installing those in this 2016 Ford F-150. Alright, real quick, here's a close-up of the bulbs again.
They've got fan dust cover, and they actually have a fan on the back of the bulb themselves. You'll see all that in the unboxing video if you watch that.
Yeah, guys, these are super high-quality bulbs. I highly recommend them. I'll leave links and a discount code in the description below, but we'll talk about that a little later. First, let's get on with the install. Steven?
Alright, so obviously first thing is going to be taking these headlights out. Kind of a pain. I've done it earlier and it wasn't fun, but it's really not that much work, so let's get to it. Obviously first pop your hood, and then on the 16 F-150 we got this trim here. It's gonna have to come off. It's a little clip here and two 8mm here. I've already got the 8s out. I kind of cheated a little bit.
Those 8mm are located right here and right here, for those of you wondering. We took these out to make this video go a lot smoother. Alright, Steven, I showed them where you cheated and took the two 8s out. What's next?
Just pop this top little clip off out of here. Maybe.
And guys, if you ain't seen the the unboxing video of these lights yet, I'm gonna link it right here in the card below.
This is kind of a tight little, feels like you're gonna break some stuff. Just pops free.
Pops right out. Don't worry, Al. It just pops out.
Always on Al. Set this out of the way so you don't scratch it. Or throw it on the floor, scratch it if you want. And then you will need...
Steven, hold on just a second. You know what the people want?
What?
The people want to see what these lights look like before.
Oh yeah, we actually didn't do it before.
Alright, so guys, it's not nighttime while we're filming this, but we are in a shop. So what we're going to do, we're going to shut the lights off, and we're going to put the headlights on this door here, so y'all get a good idea before and after shot of the regular bulbs that come in this truck and the Lasfit LED bulbs. Alright, this is with the lights on. Corey, turn the lights off. Alright, this is the lighting of the regular factory bulbs that come with the 2016 F-150. So this is a before shot. That's with brights. That's low beam only. Alright, we're back now. Steven?
Alright, Brian saved us from all the hecklers. So, the next thing you're going to have to do is, is that plastic trim down here that wraps around. There's a bunch of 10mm. Well, there's one 8mm and a bunch of 10mm. I kind of left a few of them out. There is a little plastic shroud, or I don't even know what it is, vent thingy that attaches to the bottom. You'll have to go through and kind of push the little clips. You'll see it better whenever I get this piece off. And then this side was really tight popping off the first time. Hopefully it comes off pretty easy this time. There's supposed to be two more there. And then an 8mm. Well, it's going to be just as much of a pain this time too. Oh, I actually forgot something. There is one of those push clips on the end there.
Now, this push clip right here.
So, which is already deformed from where I pried on it last time. And then there's like this clip here. There we go. So you gotta like pinch that together it likes to fight you. You can kind of see this ductwork that I was talking about. These two little clips you'll have to kind of fight to push down and get that loose from that plastic trim. Like I said, I've done some pre-work to make this a little easier to film. And then you're going to have 3 more 10mm bolts. You'll need a little longer extension to get to one of them. Because you got one that is back here. It's going to be the black one that is back in there, and then 2 up top. And then this one, you got to be careful not to drop it. There you go. And there is one little clip back here that like pushes in. You kind of have to pull on it to get it to pop out. Yeah. And 3 connectors. Got that connector. One here. And one there. Just like that. And then the whole headlight is out. Put it on something so you're not scratching the face. Then we're doing the low beam, which is going to be your top one. It's just got a rubber cover. And just a little one clip. And this just twists out, just like that. So, compare. So, you kind of see how it's supposed to fit. Little fingers. So, make sure you take the plastic off. Get this sucker down in here. So, kind of want to make sure that wire is out. Oh yeah, easy.
Like a glove.
Easy. So now, you want to, so the dust cover, got a little fan in it. You got 2 separate connectors to the bulb and then to the factory harness. Like that. Tuck that wire in. Connector. Nice tight fit. And then it's also got a little logo that tells you to make sure the vent is down. So, oh yeah, nice snug fit. That was easy. Real easy.
Easy install.
Easy. So now it's just put it back together, which is, as you guys seen, fairly easy. Or well, easier to go back together than come apart. I don't think we're going to show taking the passenger side apart. It's literally the same process. Take the trim off, a couple bolts, pop that plastic piece off. But let's get that. I'll get that passenger side and this back installed off camera, and then we'll go back to show you an after of the LEDs installed.
All right, guys, he did get these LED lights installed, so now we're going to show you the after look of on the garage door, show you how much brighter these are than the original OEM bulbs that come with this truck.
All right, so he should probably just play the clip of the one headlight or low beam working. So the drive side wasn't working. Took the filter box out, try to get quick access to it, just to kind of feel up in here to the connectors. And the factory harness to the dust cover can actually be plugged in either way. So before you go through assembling the headlight back into the car, you might want to test run it so you know that everything's plugged in right and working, because you can't have this backwards and not have a bulb work. I'm just glad it wasn't the passenger side, because the passenger side, the whole thing would have had to come back out. So let me get this back together and then we'll show you a clip of actually both headlights working.
All right, this is with the lights on. Corey, turn the lights off. All right, this is the lighting of the regular factory bulbs that come with the 2016 F-150. So this is a before shot. That's with brights. That's low beam only. Yep. All right, this is the LED lights on the garage door with the lights in the shop still on. Corey? And that is with the lights off. Guys, these are so much brighter than the original bulbs.
You can barely even tell the high beams you can turn on.
That is super bright. So bright it might burn my camera lens. Alright guys, I hope you all enjoyed us installing these LED bulbs from Lasfit. Like I said, make sure you check in the description box below. There's 2 links. You can get an awesome deal on these just like we did. Use code Brian10 to save 10% on each item. And you can scroll. I'll do a video right now of navigating the site. You don't have to buy the whole kit. You can pick which lights you want to pick. So this is the site it's going to take you to. So right here, it'll look like you have to get the whole package. It'll come up like this. You do not have to get the whole package. If you just want low beams, click low beams. If you want high beams too, click whatever you want, add to the cart. After you add to the cart, in the promo code, use Brian10 and you can save 10% on any of these lights. Steven, you got anything to add?
Love it. Looks good. Nice.
All right. Thanks again, Lasfit. We look forward to working with you all some more. Guys, make sure you subscribe to the channel. Make sure you hit the like button. Turn on the bell so you get all the notifications. Until next time.